Let's make a bling station with 4 of the Dollar Tree acrylic drawers. I've already attached them with E6000 and hot glue. You'll also need 2 of the Dollar Tree cutting boards and 2 of these acrylic stackable Dollar Tree organizers. I'll be using some E6000 along with some hot glue. And I'm going to be painting the boards titanium white by Americana. And don't forget the edges. Okay, don't con me, Biff. I need 2 coats on this. So we're just going to drive this second one up. The first one has 2 coats. Glue on some felt and trim around the board. And because this is going to be a bling station, let's make it sparkle with some of this enchanted shimmer. Check it out. Ooh. Enchanting. Just a little bit of shimmer. Why? Because we can. And we have to do both boards. Shimmer them up. Ooh. Can you see that? It gives it a nice little bit of sparkle. Ooh, and as it dries, it gets more shimmery. That's a nice feature. And I just made a corporate decision. If 4 is good, 6 is better, right? Little stations of E6000 and hot glue. And we'll stack them up. Then the same process to glue all 6 onto the board. Make sure it's the cutting board with the felt on the bottom. Now to apply the top, I'm running out of E6000, so I'm opting for the B7000. I'm going to be generous with it. And we're just going to put it at the top on both sides, and in the middle is a little dollop of the E6000. And nice and generous. And the last thing you do is put on some hot glue at the ends. You don't want to mix them because they don't like to play well together. And center that top right on top like that. Next, we're going to put these 2 bad boys on here. Take off that sticker, so just add a little bit of heat from your heat tool and it will peel right off. Just like that. I'm trying to do it one-handed here, so cut me some slack. Okay, more B7000 to attach these 2 together, these 2 pieces. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue just here and there, just so that it will stick quickly. And back to back. And hold 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to put some B7000 on the front ends because it looks like there's a little gap where it's not really touching. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the glue and the hot glue, and we are done. Got the B7000 there. Add the hot glue and apply. Ta-da! I don't know, I think because it's a bling station, it needs more bling around those edges. So let's get to getting. And we're blinging. And we're blinging. Turning a corner here. Almost done. Turning another corner. Shake it up. Move ahead. Go for it. It's not too late to bling it. Bling it good. And 30 blinging minutes later, we're done. Sweet perfection. Look at that. Yeah, baby. It needed that. Now, add blinging accoutrement. glue, tips, blinging tools. And there you go. You have a Bling Station extraordinaire. Keep watching for more great organization tips.